In this video, I literally found a way on how to get Fortnite dev on console, PC, Nintendo Switch, and mobile. Basically any device. This is insane, guys, and make sure you watch the full entire video. Obviously, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn notifications so you guys can be updated to every Fortnite private server and Fortnite modding tutorial that I post. But yeah, guys, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, guys, so the first thing that you guys want to do is once you're in the main Fortnite screen, you guys want to close out real quick, and then you guys want to go into the link of the description, and then once you guys are in the link of the description, you guys are gonna wanna there will be a bit.ly link. You guys are gonna want to press that, and then you guys will see this recognize link. So it says unsubbing will not work. It will just confuse it. If you're already subscribed, just wait on the page. It directs you to 15 seconds. So here we go. So just press subscribe. And then obviously, I'm already kind of subscribed to myself, so it kind of already counts that. And you guys want to subscribe to my friend Shadow right here. So just press subscribe. I'm already subscribed as well, so I'm gonna have to wait 15 seconds. And then there you go, guys. And then just press unlock link. This is gonna take you to a link advertise, and just press I'm not a robot. Then what you guys want to press is free access, and then just do download Fortnite dev. If it's gonna ask you if you guys want to discover articles, so just go through that process. Obviously they give me that, so I'm not gonna be able to help you with that. But yeah, download Fortnite dev, and then go and save, and then double click on this. Now what you guys want to do is press next, skip all, and then press open. It's going to take you to a Beacons AI link. This is my link tree basically, and it has every single working private server. Actually, before I go any further, private servers are currently down. This is the only one that works because technically it's a lobby bot, but you can't see yourself and you can join friends. So it's really a Fortnite dev, but like originally it's a lobby bot. But none of these are actually working due to the Epic Games do anti-cheat. So none of these are actually working at the moment, but they will probably find a bypass soon. So that's why you guys are gonna need to turn notifications so you guys can be updated when I actually fix that. So once you guys are here, you guys want to press RexFN. It's gonna take you to their Discord server, which is right here. Just read over the rules for a little bit, and then just go on downloads. Don't go on hybrid. That's the dev that is actually down right now. So you guys want to go on anywhere, all platforms. And then you guys want to go on to how to use. Obviously, my tutorial is the best, so you don't really need to watch this because you got me. But then you guys can go on RexFN Anywhere website. So let's click this, and then it's going to be another link advertise. So let's go through the same process, and then just press free access. And then go up to download website, save, and then just do the same process. You guys are going to want to press next, skip all, and then open. And then what you guys want to do is press launch. Now, this is for PC. To do this on mobile, I'm actually doing a screen recording right now. So all you need to do to get this on mobile is actually have Discord installed. So you guys just want to go onto the RexFN Anywhere website. And then you guys just want to go free access. So the same process basically, except on mobile. I didn't really have to go through any steps, but if you might have to go through them steps, and then just press launch. Once you guys press launch, it's going to take you to this browser, which is right here. And it's going to say username to add at the top. So what you guys want to do is go onto Fortnite and actually add that username. So I'm going to do that on my computer. As you guys see, I'm screen recording. And this is basically like the Fortnite locker. You can put on any skin through this website. And you can actually put on back blings, emotes, pickaxes, and actually upcoming items that are not released yet. Some of these items are released, but most of them aren't. I'm not really completely sure which ones aren't. So I can't really tell you guys on that. And then you guys can do stats. You guys can change your level, which is pretty sick. Alright, so I'm on PC right now, and as you guys can see, I have the live bot added. So you guys are going to want to go on to join the party. And then let's see if we put on just like the scout skin right here. It should change it, yep. We could do the trooper, aerial. That's that I put aerial assault trooper. You guys can do the gold trooper. I don't think you can actually do renegade raider. I don't think you guys can actually do pink gold trooper or purple skull. There might be a way, but I don't know for sure yet. Black knight, obviously. So yeah, and you guys can do exclusive skins as well. Like for example, like the wonder skin, if I could find it. And if you guys do see the search button at the top left, you guys can use that to search for skins and then equip skins. So as you guys can see, I have the iconic. And then you guys can even do like emotes as well. You guys can even do like emotes, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's definitely cool. You guys can even choose pickaxes. You guys probably champion's axe. Pretty sure that's the FNCS pickaxe. It's on here. None of the pickaxes are actually showing up for me. It's a little bit glitchy on mobile, but yeah, no. There we go. It just takes a little bit to load. Okay, well unfortunately we can't get pickaxes to load on mobile. We can get anything else. You guys can see we can put on different back blings as well. Let's just do like this bow, for example. It's pretty sick, guys. So yeah, basically all you guys want to do is if you guys are on console, you guys can do that through your phone. Just throw in the lobby bot, and then you guys can control it through your phone. If you guys are on mobile, you're just gonna have to switch tabs. It's gonna be a little bit more difficult, but you're eventually gonna figure it out. But yeah, guys, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.